Ignore them. You know, get your car back to your territory.
Yeah.
And let them be.
Just say thank you and never talk to him again.
Right, yeah.
This is the end.
Yeah.
It's the grand finale. This is the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it. You see all this stuff on the wall? It's when they try to just get rid of all of them.
Yeah, because they get ready.
Look at them all. Beauteous. Maximus. And the best part,
Yeah,
sound like 100 at once.
I know.
Brakata. Look at it. Yeah, well, if I had a bike, I'd be at Seaside because it's easier to get in and out.
Yeah.
With the car, you'd be screwed.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
That wasn't the finale, no.
I know, I thought it was.
That's why I love these fireworks
I thought
here
that was the
because
finale,
they
and it
trick you a
wasn't.
couple times,
Yeah.
and then they'll keep going longer and longer. I remember that when we used to be at Seaside.
They put on a good show this year.
They always do.
I thought after 10 minutes they were done.
No.
They kept going
No,
and
because
going.
Bridgeport do it right.
This is like almost as much as Fieldville right now.
West Haven do it right.
Oh, the one where the pink beaches?
Yes.
Yeah.
They do it right, and it be right there.
gotta be a-
Last year they did it in like September or something. They
I think theirs
canceled
might
it
be,
because of all the rain that happened.
theirs might be tonight.
What?
It might be.
What?
I would have rather went there, Jimmy. I asked you to look, and you never told me.
No, I didn't look, but I'm just saying. Usually
You
it's about a week
know,
before.
it sounds
No,
like
I
you
swear to
looked.
God, I didn't look. It could be next week. I don't know. Look at that one.
Yeah,
That's those little
that's
snippets.
cool.
Yo, what the
I never
heck?
seen that.
A bomb out.
It's a
A dud.
UFO.
A dud, Jimmy. There you go.
But that was pretty cool, though.
Yeah, yeah.
Change my life,
Bunch of them this time. Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Bridgeport already talking about taking the bike.
Yeah. They fly around.
They no more.
Yeah, I see it.
They had a thing on the news about taking the bikes from them kids.
Yeah.
There's no more men on motorcycles. Get over here, hot stuff.
You don't know. Whatever happens to be down this way.
I saw them.
I looked at them yesterday.
I did see them all that.
Look,
They
there's more.
didn't even have helmets. They didn't.
They left him. They left him.
I can't even see.
They're probably at Seaside.
Yeah. Trying to control the crowd.
I know.
Always something always happened at Seaside on the fireworks night.
Yep. I remember when me and Big were there years ago and a couple people were shot and killed. We were like, damn, yeah, we were there. I remember that.